What most people don't realize is how structured the bear activity here actually is. Larger, more dominant brown bears position themselves directly at the top of the falls, where their chances of catching salmon are highest. Younger or less experienced bears stay downstream, where competition is lower but the rewards are also smaller. This creates a natural hierarchy that's easy to observe and requires no human interference.